Fiona, go ahead. Yeah, her back leg. I think she stepped on it wrong. So she's wobbling a little bit. So, alright, go ahead. Oh, my pretty girl. Okay. Alright, let me go inside a little bit. Alright, Bagel, you ready to come through? There he is. Alright, come on. Let's go. Let's go. You ready to go, sir? Oh, and his allergies have been going crazy, too. Come on. Let's go. There. Go. Come on. And Fiona waits for Bagel. And so, yeah. Fiona's waiting for you. Alright, let's go. Go ahead. I wish I could turn this around. And so, these allergies are going crazy. But yeah, I did a little workout today and earlier. And oh god, the geese are out over there. So yeah, let me go in because I'm freezing. I'm gonna just leave them out there for just a second. So yeah, Woodpecker. We can get you a break for this Woodpecker. So there we go. So what was the Woodpecker? Samuel's gonna tell you about the Woodpecker.
The Woodpecker.
Okay.
Basically, the Woodpecker was right there, I think, right about there, pecking at whatever is on the ceiling. But it was right on my roof, and I got spooked when I first there.
Yeah, and then you opened the window.
I opened the window to look out at it, and it was basically just right on the roof, and it flew away.
Could you see it?
I saw it once it started flying away, but...
Okay, alright. Well, see, when I went to my side, because he likes going on the other side of this wall to the other bedroom, he was banging, and I couldn't see him. I couldn't see him because he was on the roof. He was pushed back. But you actually saw him here?
I saw him fly away. I didn't see him at first when he was on the roof, but I saw him fly away.
Okay, well...
And he's banging right on the
there's
roof.
A couple names that Samuel and Jason want to name it. So what's one of the names that are...
The first name...
We're thinking it's a male because I looked up males and females. Females have a little bit of red, and males have more red from its nose to its back of its neck.
The first name I thought it was Evil Gary.
Okay. And Gary is... Who's Gary?
Gary is the bird that keeps pooping on your car.
Yeah, the, what is it? What kind of bird is it?
I believe it's something tufted something.
Tufted titmouse. So, yeah. So, Samuel named it Gary. Don't know why, but Samuel did. Okay.
And then my dad came up with Lucifer, the pecker, and I took the L and I put it onto the ending Airy, and I got Larry.
Gary and Larry. I don't know. All right.
I'm not sure.
Well, that's still deciding. All right. Well, get back to your work. And so, okay. So yeah. So that is all right. Let me see. Oh, and then the baby cardinals that we had. I think I blogged about. I think one of them got out. Or they were in these bushes here. I don't know. I think something got to them, or one of the babies are still there. It's passed in its nest. So yeah, that's the sad part about it. Okay, let me go find these stuff. Let me go find Fiona Bagel. All right, Fiona Bagel. happy Wednesday. Yeah, happy Wednesday because my days are going by. Samuel, I think I told you guys that Samuel has a Spanish test. I'm watching Bagel there. So Samuel has a Spanish test this Friday. He has a bonus day, which everybody else is off, but he has to take the Spanish test. So I'm going to be administering the Spanish test since they're not. You see Fiona? Look at that. They're such good dogs. Look at that Bagel. Yeah, Bagel's getting older. He's 13. Gonna be 14 in October. So yeah, she's hurting a little bit. And the groomers, I can't wait for the groomers to be. If you see me looking out that window, I keep on thinking I hear something. And so, but all right, you ready to come on in? Come on in. Come on. Oh, there she comes. Oh, careful. Okay. All right, I'm right there. I'm right here. I know, oh, my pretty girl. Yeah. Because I did take a look at her back legs, and I think she just slept on it wrong or so. And so yeah, you think? Oh, my pretty girl. What do you smell? What do you smell? What do you smell? Her nose is working. Oh, her nose is working. Alright, and Bagel, he's still itching out there, so I'll let him itch a little bit. Alright, come on. Here he comes. Come on. And I have to actually get by. Oh, do you hear the woodpecker? Alright, come on. Come on, Bagel. There he is. I have to get behind him. And so, alright, I'm right here. Oh, where are you, Woodpecker? I hear ya. You're yelling. Trying to get behind Bagel because Bagel. Come on, Bagel. Where are ya? I hear ya up in the trees. Okay. I thought I heard it up in the trees. Yeah, you're up in the trees somewhere. And I haven't yet figured out how to flip while I'm recording my phone. So that's another thing I have to try to figure out. So, alright, well, let me close that door. Sit down here for a second. Okay, so that's Friday. So Friday we're doing the Spanish test, and we're just seeing and then because the teacher already gave our password, we can't check in beforehand. So that's one thing I can't wait for to happen. And then next week, I believe next week is like the 15th, they're starting to open Virginia back up, so that'll be quite interesting. So alright, well, I hope you enjoyed a little update, and I guess we'll see you in our next video.